Welcome to JL Rainbow Learning School and Tutorial. All Rainbow learners, are you excited for our new lesson today? That is great! Today, we are going to learn the number words from 1 to 5. Do not forget to pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Sing and have fun with me as we learn together. Let's get started. Number words 1 to 5. This is the number 1. Let's spell it together. O-N-E. Now let's sing. O-N-E. O-N-E. Number 1. Number 1. How many houses can you see? That's right. There is only one. Can you help me find the word one? Great job. It's O-N-E. One. This time, I need you to help me. What is the missing letter for the word one? Great. It's letter N. Let's go to number 2. 2 is spelled as T-W-O. Let's sing. T-W-O. T-W-O. Number 2. Number 2. Can you help me count the cars? That's great. There's 2 cars. Now where is the word two? You're doing great. It's T-W-O. 2. Now help me. What is the missing letter? That's right. It's letter T. Let's go to number 3. 3 is spelled as T-H-R-E-E. Let's sing. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. Number 3. Number 3. How many robots can you see? Great. There's 3. Can you help me find the word 3? Great job. It's T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now what is the missing letter for the word 3? Correct. It's letter R. Now let's have the number 4. 4 is spelled as F-O-U-R. Let's sing. F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. Number 4. Number 4. How many cupcakes can you see? Great! There's 4 yummy cupcakes. And where is the word 4? Amazing! It's F-O-U-R. Great job! Now help me. What is the missing letter for the word four? Great! It's letter F. Our next number is 5. 5 is spelled as F I V E. Let's sing it together. F I V E. F I V E, number 5. Number 5. How many giraffes can we see? That's right. There's 5. Where is the word 5? You are correct. F I V E. 5. And what is the missing letter for the word 5? Yes, it's letter V. And you were amazing. Continue practicing our number words. And so much for learning with me. See you next time. Bye.